Hello guys, happy Tuesday and welcome to Ayo's Craft. My name is Ayo and I would like to continue on the jean upcycle series. Today is day 2. Now yesterday I showed you guys how to make a throw pillow using scrap jeans. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tote bag with the outside being jean and lined inside with Ankara. Now here is what the tote bag looks like. This is the back and this is what the inside looks like. Okay, it doesn't have any zipper, it doesn't have any pocket. It's just the regular tote bag but with a bit of an applique. I used well, here in Nigeria we call it cord lace. I think it's also referred to as pure lace. So I used that, I just cut it out and used it to form an applique on the front of the jean. Now it's durable, it's just to show you what it looks like. See, so it comes back to its original form, and because everything is fabric you can also wash it without worrying about it tearing. There is really no glue here, everything here is sewn. So if you want to know how to do this, stay tuned. Anyway, so if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming. Please subscribe, please click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And to my old subscribers, welcome, thank you, and I love you. So first thing first, I'm going to remove here, cut it off, open here, and then level everything. So let's begin. So I'm going to repeat this for the back. Okay, I can take this off. I'm going to take this off as well. Okay, so we have a proper square. So here will be for the front and here will be for the back. Now I'm going to glue the jean fabric to the interface. This interface did come with glue on it, but for some reason when I ironed the jean to it didn't stick. So that's why I'm going ahead to use a fabric glue to glue the jean to the fabric. Once that is done, you can now go ahead and cut your lining to be the same. You can cut your lining using the same measurement used earlier for your denim. Your bag can be of any size. The size of your bag is really up to you. It's your choice. After it's now time to add in your handles. This is the best time to put your handle, and then that way you can close up the bag with ease and not struggle to sew your handle to the fabric. Now I'm putting my handle about 2.5 inches away from the edge. This is also considering that I would use about 1/2 inch to sew up. So here I'm trying to put in the handles. This is the best time to actually put the handle so that it's easier for you. This is the easiest way basically. Here you can see I'm trying to measure the best place to place the handles. I was using 2 inches away from the edge, but that later had to change because the handles were too far apart. I ended up using about 3-4 inches away from the seam allowance to actually get the proper placing for the handle. So now that the handle has been attached, it's time to sew the corners of the bag. I'm going to sew the 3 corners of the bag together. That way run a stitch a couple of times here, and when you do that you would have something like this, right? So when you're done, you would turn the bag inside out. Oh, before then we need to sew the lining. So we do this. So for this end and the other end. Now you repeat the same process for the lining, just like you did for the bag. You would take here face down and this other side face down. This is what I was explaining earlier. I have sewn here, here, and when I came here, I have a little bit of a space in here, and then I continued it to the end. same thing I did for the front part. Run a stitch here, come here, run a stitch here, and I'll be right back. So this is what I was explaining earlier. I have sewn here, here, and when I came here, I have a little bit of a space in here, and then I continued it to the end. Now for this part as well, I'll do the same thing I did for the front part. Run a stitch here, come here, run a stitch here, and I'll be right back. It's a last minute thing. I decided to put in an applique. It's just some piece of lace that I cut, and then I arranged them to form this, and I'm simply putting it on. That's all. And I'm using a needle and so this is what the bag looks like inside. So I'm going to take the lining that I made, and I'm going to have it also, instead of inside out, I'll have it in the proper position. Remember that I also left a space while sewing so that I can tuck the bag out properly. So I'm going to fit this right inside here. Hopefully I'm doing the correct thing. Now the next stage is to sew it. So I'm going to take it to the sewing machine now, and I'm going to run a stitch all the way round. So I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. Alright, so that has been done. I know this bag it's quite a long process. It actually takes a little bit of patience. So you can tear off all your, or rather cut off all your rough edges. If you want to trim the edges, go ahead. So now it is sewn together, and then now I would so it is sewn together. So now it's time to turn it in out. So first thing first, I brought out the lining. Just gonna be snipping in it. So I brought out the lining, and then this gap here, I'm gonna pull the whole bag through it. I hope I did the right thing. sewing machine. Now just run a stitch here. And then what I'm going to do, so that this lining will not be coming out, I would run another stitch just on top.